How to withdraw money from Hamster Combat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw your money from your Hamster Combat account. So first of all, just simply open your Telegram, and after that just simply launch your Hamster Combat in your mobile device. And after that, once you're there, you need to start claiming the rewards that you will gain on the regular basis. So for example, I'm tapping on my home screen, and as you can see that the reward has been adding, or the coin has been adding up to my account. If I tap on the home screen with my two fingers, as you can see that the reward has been, or the coins has been getting faster in my account. And once you're done claiming all the rewards, and after that just simply navigate to the airdrop section from the bottom right corner of the screen and complete all the airdrop tasks that is available in your account. And after that just simply connect your Ton wallet to your Hamster Combat account. And once both the apps are connected, after completing the task, just simply click on claim now. And if claim now is not available or not showing in your account officially, just you need to wait for the availability for it to come. And once you have connected your Ton wallet to your Hamster Combat, just simply go to your Ton wallet, and after that over here just simply select swap option from the screen. And here in the receive section just simply select Hamster Combat, and once you're done selecting Hamster Combat as your receivable, after that just simply enter the amount of the money that you would want to withdraw from your Hamster Combat into your Ton wallet. And after that just simply click on exchange, and your Hamster coin will convert into Ton. And after that, to withdraw into your bank account, you need a bank account that accept international payments. Simply send the Ton into other wallet, or withdraw it directly through your bank account. So this is basically how you will be able to withdraw money from your Hamster Combat. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.